Today we're gonna bring clippers, and these are for pets. If you have a dog like I do that has a lot of hair and sheds, and you in the summer it gets a little hot, so I like to shave my dog, and I completely shave him down to maybe one or two, and because he is a golden retriever, he sheds a lot of hair and he contains a lot of hair. So during summer is the perfect time. I do that once a year, and this year we're gonna change it up. We're gonna get clippers, and we're gonna use these clippers, and I'm gonna show you what's included in here. You get the actual manual, you get the clipper system itself, and just to let you know, this is wireless, all right? So and I like this that it pops up automatically, so you could turn it on. I'm gonna turn it on. See, you guys see the clippers working there, and then to turn it off, then manual here, and then also the close-ups, all right, to work with your dog. So itself, it pops out, so you could clean it, because you are going to need this to pop out all the time, so you could clean it. So let's go ahead and put this back. All right, so to turn it on, it's simple. You hold down the button, it turns on. Now speeds, that's faster, faster, faster. That's fast. And then it goes back to number one. And you can see this thing moving. Now to take it off, and you want to clean it up, all you got to do is push the button here, and this thing pops out. You can clean it up, oil it up. Get a closer clip, you can do that. There's different types of clips. Now, they give you multiple clips for, of course, different breeds. And this is very simple to actually take apart and put it together. So all you got to do is slide it in. To take it out, the same way, slide just from the back forward. That's pretty much what you do. Now, in here, they give you the charging station, all right, the charger, which is going to require the charger 2-prong connection. They give you a little brush to clean it up. And then they give you the actual scissors and a comb. If you guys can see, let me get to the cone. This is a metal cone, all right? So, unfortunately, I can't use it, but this is perfect for large breed dogs, all right? So, very simple, easy to use. We're gonna test it out on our dog today and see how well it works, if he could cut down. I'm not gonna shave him too much. I'm just gonna shave him underneath, because he does shed a lot, and we want to shade up. And it's summer. Coming around the corner, it's spring, he starts losing hair. Want to help him out a little bit more, this is probably the way to do it. For those that are grooming professional hairs, this is perfect. It's wireless, you don't have to tangle yourself into any kind of wire. So we turn it on, simple, and we just shave them a little bit underneath. Move, Crypto, move. Here. Whoa. Not too much, just a little bit trimming down the tips. That's pretty much it. We're not gonna cut too much, but simple to use. Turn it off. You guys notice it's not very loud. It's perfect for dogs that are scared of noises, so this is perfect. That's one speed, like I said. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that's it.